What'd you say? Yo, why you whack me, yo? I'm at the stick. Let's go. Go now.
Yo, let's do a card point of view. Hold the card and put it in front like Call of Duty.
Alright.
That's good.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
You gotta do like finger guns. You gotta do it like this. Look.
Wait.
DJ, hold it with one hand. Hold it with one hand. Yeah, see like Call of Duty. Look, hold it with one hand and go like this with your finger gun like this.
What, dude? Do a finger gun.
Like, look.
Oh, like first person?
Yeah, like the default weapon. Like, go like this. Like, do it.
Do it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Like, no, walk. Make it the point of view of... Shoot me. Shoot me. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Give it. No, that's not first person.
Hey boy, you want to die?
Push your hand out.
Huh?
Like that, like first person. No, like
like
this, and then have it like this, like a fucking default weapon.
So
and shoot me.
Hey boy, you want to die?
No. That's fair. You're not even pointing at.
Yeah, no, like the camera's turned so it looks like pointing at you. This nigga want to die. You want to die, nigga?
See, this ain't gonna go with you. I'm fucking hungry.
Huh? You want to give out? What are you doing?
I want to punch you.
What are you doing, Quillen? Why are you digging out my piss? Yeah.
Fine. You tell me that.
This nigga gay. He did that to me.
Yeah, go put this back.
What?